how to fix if keeps crashing on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold power button and volume up button, and you will see restart device from here. After restart device, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, click on search and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to again, click on app settings app, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option and factory reset. After click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keep crashing on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.